tutorial explaining the Configure button. The Configure button is used to set the default values or options. There are basically 4 types of values that can be set. 1. Value from master. This is usually the case for default values in the case of entries, or for setting a master filter in the case of listing. Click the row to set the value and press Enter key. The focus shifts to the account option text at the bottom. Type the first few letters of the master name, then press Enter. The lookup list appears with the list of masters matching the text we entered. If we wish to check based on a different text, again type the first few letters in the lookup window text box and press the Insert key. Use the up or down arrow key to select the account we are looking for. After selecting the appropriate master, press Enter. Pressing the Enter key again will display the ledger name and also set the default value or filter value. The focus shifts back to the Configure options at the top. 2. Text value. Examples for text value options are default notes in the case of entries, or filters based on notes or mobile numbers in the case of listing. Click the row to set the value and press Enter key. The focus shifts to the option text at the bottom. Edit the existing value or key in a new value. Press Enter key when done. The new value gets set and the focus moves back to the Configure options. 3. Boolean value. This option is used to enable or disable a feature. Select the row to set the value and press Enter key. This toggles the current value. Press Enter key again to switch to the previous value. 4. Value from option list. Used to select the option value from a preset list. Click the row to set the value and press Enter key. The focus shifts to the options list at the bottom, focused on the currently selected option. Use the up or down arrow keys to select a different value. Press the Enter key when done. The new value gets set and the focus moves back to the Configure options. In the case of entry, click the Set as Default button, then click Exit. The default values will reflect when opening the entry screen next time. In the case of listing, simply click the Exit button. Click the Refresh button to load the list based on the Configure values set.